Someone was walking. You see Orange? He's going pretty fast. And yes, that's also Orange crying. I think Orange somehow knew that his brothers were over here getting fed. I took them away from the big box so they wouldn't get left out. These are the smaller ones. And Rascal, well, he's been doing some unmentionable things. You bad boy, Rascal. Rascal. Yeah, you hungry. Okay. Come on, Greenie. Look at how cute Green is. He's kind of full right now. Okay. Hey, piglets. Hey, Mr. Blue. What's the matter over there? Blue, come on. Go to Mama. Get some food. Mika, you're going to break the box. I don't know why she always wants to sit on the side. Here. The big boys haven't realized that it's feeding time. That's Purple over there and White. White actually isn't that big. Let's see if they'll walk. You guys okay? Hey, White. Hey, Purple. I keep having to change the blankets, so I put towels in because the blankets are getting washed. Come on, walk. Go, White. You're not hungry, Purple? What? Come on, White. You okay over there, Mika? Uh-oh, White. I hear you. You can do it. Come on. Good, White. Lift up your head. Good, White. Oh, Lords. I guess they're too tired. Go. Oh, you don't want to leave Purple behind? There you go, White. Go on. Good boy. You can do it. Come on. Good boy. Tell those brothers, move aside. Purple, what's the matter? It's okay. Come here. Look at when I say come here, Mika gave me an ugly stare. Okay, Mika. You rest your head, Mika. That's a girl. Oh, Purple. That's a boy. Come on, Purple. Okay, Purple.